Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Valorant game on your PC. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to download and install the Valorant game on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and click over here and type in play Valorant, COM like this, and hit on enter. And let's let the page load. And the page has loaded, and you can see the play free button available over here. Click on play free, and you can see first you will be required to either sign into a Riot account, or if you don't have a Riot account over here, you will be required to make one. Click on over here to make one. Will not be signing in, we will be creating an account. And after that, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you want to start the registration process of Valorant. For me, it's this one. This is my email with which I want to start my verification. Click on next, and after that, let's enter the date of birth, and let's enter our username, and let's choose a password over here, and let's confirm our password. And guys, when you are creating your password, make sure to use some capital letters, some small letters, and some numbers with some extra signs, and that will make your password strong. With that being said, let's head on to the next step, and let's save it on my computer. And after we have logged into our account on the Riot Games, you can see the download button after directly signing up. Let's click on download. And you can see, guys, this app is being downloaded over here on the bottom left corner of my screen, or on the download panel you can see the install Valorant over here. And let's let the file download first. And after the file has been downloaded, you can directly install it from over here by clicking on install, or you can go to the folder and you can install from over here. Click on no. And I have already installed the Valorant on my computer, so I'm not be installing it again. And there, guys, this is how you download and install the Valorant app on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.